May console and then run natin. So, mag-gawin tayo ng course name, anxiety, and then room 9. Talagay natin ang last day. Tapos lagyan natin yung start time. Tapos yung end time. And then, add schedule. And then, mag-add tayo ulit. SIT. Tapos room 9 Tuesday naman. Tapos yung start time. Tapos end time. Tsaka natin yung add schedule and print. Schedule and then save and schedule save. Try sa file as documents and hanapin natin yung schedule and then notepad and then just once. So ayun, dun siya.